Introducing FlipTop, the simplest way to keep high-value tools secure and accessible. Manage expensive items like cutting tools, welding supplies, and drill bits at the drawer and item level. Pick the drawer size and layout that works for you, and choose different bin sizes to fit your inventory. FlipTop is available in 3 sizes. The largest unit is best when you need space for a ton of items, while FlipTop Mini is the perfect balance between size and capacity. And FlipTop Wall can hang right at the point of use in a production cell. Bins with the same item open together, cutting replenishment time in half. And every bin automatically relocks when the drawer closes. Connect 4 machines together to grow your system, and manage it all through the industry-leading CribMaster's software.